Hello everyone, yo Mama Betcha here and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa akin channel, please subscribe, like, and hit that bell notification for more updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload products in Lazada Seller Center. We are using a desktop, so therefore it's also applicable kung laptop ang ginagamit nyo. Part 5 na po itong tutorial na to. Before you proceed watching, may part 1, 2, 3, and 4 na nakapost sa aking channel. I suggest you watch it muna to better understand how we get here sa part 5. Before we start, let us be familiarized muna sa most common terms na ginagamit, and that is SKUs or SKUs. So, ano nga ba ang SKUs? SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit. It is a number assigned to a product by a retail store to identify the price, product options, and manufacturer of the merchandise. A SKU is used to track inventory in your retail store. So in short, ito po yung mga items na pinopost or ina-upload natin online, in our case sa Lazada, and with a corresponding number. So makikita nyo po yan later. So pay attention to our next screen. I'm going to show you how to upload yung products na pinicturean natin in the past tutorials. Okay, so here is our screen. Naka-open na siya using yung Google Chrome na browser. So again, I'm using a desktop. And then just input there sellercenter.lazada.com.ph. And this page you will see. Input the email address and the password. Kung paano natin na-create yung email address na yan or yung Lazada shop na to, please watch my part 1 to 4 na tutorials. Okay, para may guide kayo. And then let's input the password. And then sign in. And this is what the Seller Center page looks like with different tabs: products, orders, promotions, store, finance, business advisor, growth center, and yung profile ng ating shop. Okay, may new navigation siya, but right now we are using the old navigation as you can see. Okay, to create or to add the product, just go to product, add products. And you will see itong page na to. So, dito natin start i-input lahat ng information na ating i-upload, starting with the product name. So, before doing this, you have to make sure na you have already in mind kung ano yung pangalan ng items nyo. Okay, yung mga description niya. Okay, so, in our case, we're going to put two-tone stainless steel charms bracelet. So, yan yung papangalan natin sa ating item na i-upload. So, I'm going to show you how it looks like sa sumunod sa ating tutorials, or to those who have watched our tutorial, eto yon. So, eto yung bracelet na i-upload natin. Okay, then let's go back. For the brand, kung wala namang brand, just select no brand. And then the model, you may input bracelet. Okay, so basic information, we have this Lori kit. So it's like an application, a preset where you can put yung mga pictures na i-upload. But wag na nating i-complicate pa. Let's just simplify things out. So let's proceed sa short description. And just a reminder, yung may mga red asterisks ang ating i-fill in. Make sure that we don't miss out itong mga red asterisks. So, yun yung mga kailangan. So, for short description, let's go for bullet points. So, I suggest then for description, write it down na lang either sa notebook nyo or sa laptop nyo or sa desktop nyo kung saan kayo komportable. Isulat nyo na lang din. You can always copy-paste it here. But right now, mano-mano tayo dito sa ating item na i-upload. So, here are the information. Be short, be concise, be brief lang sa ating description because, well, from my experience, only 50% of customers really read the description kasi may nakikita or may nababasa pa rin tayong mga katanungan sa chat option ng ating Seller Center, although naka-post na yan under the description ng item. So, in which hindi naman talaga maiiwasan. So, ayan. So, let's scroll down. We have warranty type, warranty period, and all. For this one, naka-default po siya into 7 days. That's under Lazada warranty. we have the package weight and the package dimension. So, kung gaano kabigat and gaano kalaki yung item nyo, lagay nyo ng detail. And then, automatic na magka-calculate yung shipping cost or yung shipping fee. Okay, so depende yan sa bigat, again, ng item at laki ng item. And also, the location of the seller. We have here the color family. So, may drop-down dyan, but you can always indicate it manually. So, lagay lang natin two-tone as the color family. And the next, we have upload and the media center. For upload, that's where you select yung picture na i-upload natin. And the media center, it's like a storage. Partial storage ng mga images mo. Okay, you can always put your image there or yung mga items na kailangan mo i-upload for easy access. But then again, dun tayo sa manual, let's just upload manually. Okay, so just select upload and we will be uploading 2 pictures. Yung 2 shots na ginawa natin for the bracelet. And then you can select kung ano yung main image mo sa page. So just click on that. Ito yung main image natin and then let's adjust. Okay, so there's dimensions there. Ang requirement is at least 330 by 330 pixels. And of course, the bracelet size. Yan, one size lang ilalagay natin since pare-pareho naman siyang 7 inches. And then, indicate there the price. Yung seller SKU. So, natutunan natin kung ano yung SKU. So, sa bracelet na to, i-assign natin na seller SKU is ST number 2. Okay? So, kahit ano i-assign nyo dyan, para siyang coding lang. And then, the quantity and the special price. Okay? And then, indicate nyo lang yung promotion date nyo. Since isi-sale natin siya into 99 pesos. Ang original price niya is 200. So, isi-sale natin as 99 since we have to stick with our shop na 99 store PH. So, you're done. Your product is created successfully. If you add more products, you can just select add another product. But sa atin isa lang, done. Let's just select done. So, prior to this tutorial, nag-create na ako. So, you will see the difference yung item na naka-live na at hindi pa. So, etong sinelect ko, naka-live na yan. Tapos, itong hindi naka-highlight, hindi. Because you can see, QC in progress pa siya. So, under quality check pa siya. So, check natin yung naka-live na item sa Lazada shop. And, there you are. So, nakita natin, andito na yung items na naka-live. So, that's how it looks like. Yung price niya, yung pictures niya, yung 2 shots na in-upload natin sa lazada.com.ph. And ito yung product details and the seller's information. Let's go to the store. So, as you can see, blanco pa yung page dahil hindi pa siya decorated. But we will do a tutorial very soon how to decorate your store. And there. So, when we select all products, since isa palang in-upload natin, nakita natin yung 2-tone stainless steel charms bracelet na ating in-upload. So, there you go. So, this one, i-delete na natin since may naka-live na. We do not want to post yung mga duplicate items para hindi naman magulo for the customers. That's it. So, that's how easy as it is. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. And I'll be doing another tutorial very soon. So, keep on watching and please subscribe. See you!